SMAW welding, or shielded metal arc welding, is one of the most widely used welding processes in various industries due to its simplicity, versatility, and effectiveness. It is often referred to as stick welding because it uses a consumable electrode coated with flux. This flux coating protects the weld area by producing a shielding gas and slag that covers the molten metal, preventing contamination from the atmosphere. SMAW is commonly used for welding ferrous metals, particularly carbon steel and low-alloy steels, but it can also be applied to stainless steel, cast iron, and certain non-ferrous metals with the right electrodes. One of the key advantages of SMAW welding is its portability and minimal equipment requirements. Unlike other welding methods that need shielding gas cylinders and more complex setups, SMAW only requires a welding power source, electrodes, and basic protective gear. This makes it ideal for outdoor work, remote locations, and maintenance or repair jobs where access to gas supplies is limited. Because of this flexibility, SMAW is widely used in construction, shipbuilding, pipeline welding, heavy equipment repair, and infrastructure projects. SMAW welding is suitable for welding thick materials and can create strong, durable welds capable of withstanding high stress and harsh conditions. It performs well in all positions, flat, horizontal, vertical, and overhead, allowing welders to work on a variety of structures and components. The technique requires skill to control the arc length, travel speed, and electrode angle, all of which affect weld quality. Experienced welders can produce clean, defect-free welds, but beginners may struggle with slag removal and avoiding porosity or cracks. The process works by striking an electric arc between the electrode and the base metal. The intense heat melts the electrode tip and a portion of the base metal, forming a weld pool. The flux coating decomposes, releasing gases that shield the molten metal and forming slag on top, which must be chipped away after cooling. This slag protects the weld during solidification and slows down cooling, which helps reduce the risk of cracking. The variety of electrodes available allows SMAW welding to be adapted for different metals, thicknesses, and welding conditions. SMAW welding has some limitations, including slower deposition rates compared to methods like MIG or FCAW welding, and it generates more fumes and spatter. Welders must also frequently replace electrodes, which can reduce productivity. However, it remains popular for its cost-effectiveness and ability to weld in challenging environments. SMAW is particularly useful for repair and maintenance tasks, where quick setup and ease of use are priorities. In terms of applications, SMAW is extensively used in structural steel fabrication, pipeline construction and repair, shipbuilding, and heavy machinery manufacturing. It is also common in maintenance roles for power plants, refineries, and